Up next, SciFiantasy needs your help. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from SciFiantasy.com and welcome to another Modeler's Tube video. So today we're going to be talking about the GoFundMe we started. That's what the title's all about, that SciFiantasy needs your help. We're in a little bit of a bind this year. We've been running the sites for about 10 years now, between 4 sites, HobbyLink International, Model Builder International, SciFiantasy, and now Modeler's Tube. And I'm caught up and we need help with the software. Usually I don't ask you guys, but we've been doing all sorts of stuff with contests and giveaways and kind of put all our money into all that other stuff, and now we need your help. So I'd like to thank everybody that's gone to the GoFundMe already and made a very generous donation. Thank you all so far. So if you're looking for the GoFundMe, it's going to be right here, the link, or go to the description below and you can grab the link and pop it in. And if you feel like donating and helping us out, this isn't going to be a yearly thing. We're just trying to get it back on track and get things moving for you guys. So if you can, you can. If you can't, you can't. No pressure at all. And if you haven't yet, come over to SciFiantasy.com, register, check out the community, come over to Modeler's Tube, put up your videos over there. Model Builder International, Paul does that side of it. It's got all sorts of information on there. Kit reviews, I think there's some kit builds on there. And HobbyLink International is actually our store, which we just started a little while ago. We got that back up and running. So if you want to check those things out, go check them out. And don't forget, if you're willing to help us out, go over to the GoFundMe page and drop your donation there. I thank you very much if you do, and I really, really appreciate everybody that's been giving a donation so far. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for stopping by and checking out the video, and we'll talk to you all soon. Take care, and bye-bye.